Are you looking for a courtyard villa with room for a pool? Well, stay tuned. In this home tour, I have that for you in the village of Hawkins, which is just around the corner from Sawgrass Grove and Eastport, and all the fun and excitement the villages has to offer. My name is Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. This is my new listing, 5805 Camdyn Court. It is a Monticello floor plan courtyard villa, 3-bed, 2-bath, big 2-car garage, guys, and a walk-in pantry, ladies. All right, so let's go on in and take a look around. So we're gonna start here on the front lanai, which is screened in, and it's been epoxied. It just rained, so. And vinyl sided, the door and the blind, or the door is a nice color blue. Tile flooring throughout the bedrooms do have carpet. So this is a big, spacious, open floor plan. The kitchen is on the larger side. You have this big island peninsula, look at that. Lots of cabinets. We're south of 44, so we do have natural gas and tankless hot water. I'm gonna drop in the notes below the bond balance, the CDD, all the good stuff that you wanna know. This is a 2022 build. Dishwasher, nice dishwasher. It's a Bosch. And you have, this is the reverse osmosis water system underneath. These are Formica countertops, but I tell you what, when you look at them from up above, it looks like quartz. But we do have a nice big sink. There's that lanai and the room for pool. We'll show you that later. This is a big yard, an L-shaped yard. It's really large, and that is the pantry. So you've got plenty of storage. But then whatever doesn't fit, you can buy food for the apocalypse. Fridge. Everything is very clean, well kept. Now I get this question, why are they moving? This couple bought a larger home. So they have decided to make this your next opportunity to come down to pickleball, golf, water volleyball, softball, and entertainment heaven for this next chapter of your life. I like when you find a combination of doors and drawers in a kitchen. It gives you space to put everything. And then when you walk in the entryway, we do have this pantry. And actually, she had put her computer in here on wheels. So you could kind of make this a little bit of a workstation if you needed. But you have 3 bedrooms and it's split. So in this floor plan, you go through this bedroom, laundry, bathroom. I'm gonna take you in there in a moment. And the 3rd bedroom, the primary, is over here. Carpet's in good condition. This is, the paint is in good shape. It's gray. I said that. Carpet is in good shape, and you do have a trace ceiling here. And remember, if you are going to purchase a pre-owned home, you know you must have MLS and VLS, because you won't find this home on the VLS website. And they can't show you the house. They gotta call me to do it. It's a big closet. Dual sinks, extra storage space, separate water closet, So you can block that off, pocket door. And if you're just beginning your search, two things I'm going to show you right here as we take a look at the Roman shower. I do like that tile. Get my book on Amazon. It's a resource guide for everything you need to know about living in the villages. Talk about all the entertainment, hospitals, stores, supermarkets, contracts, the communities, all the districts, the villages in the district. So you want to pick that up on Amazon. You can get it in print or for your Kindle device. And you also can start your home search on my website at RobynCavallaro.com. Let's give you a big pan overview. All high ceilings, and this is knockdown. We are South 44. Lots of bright light. And this is a corner lot. So this is all landscape. Just on the other side of that wall are there trees. I'll take you outside in a moment because it's sunny. It had rained. The other day I was supposed to do a photo shoot here and it poured. So we had to reschedule it. Today is Monday, August something. 24th. Front bedroom. There are window treatments and there's screens on the windows. And it does have a closet. And if you want to schedule a showing, obviously you can call me. My number is up above. It'll be posted here throughout the video. Laundry room, interior laundry. Again, lots of storage in here and pocket door. This is the guest bathroom. And I'm showing you all the upgrades they've made to this home throughout this video. I'm gonna put it in text down below, but I also have a list of everything that's been done to the home, and it is attached to the listing. So if you're not calling me to show you the home, your realtor will have access to all of that information in the listing, and they will be happy to help you make this home your own. We do have a closet here. So what I like about this floor plan is this is its own wing, and it is basically on the opposite side of the home. Look at that here, you can see that better. You see that fire hydrant? That's for the dog. It's not plumbed. There's nothing under there. It's just decor, but it's for the dog. I thought that was adorable. And the tile is clean. You know, sometimes you find dirt in the grout, but this is immaculate property. And you see here, this is, they put outlet in the floor for lamps. You wanna plug in your phone chargers while you're watching TV. And really, this setup, you can put the TV here and lay your living room out this way. Or you have the option, you can this way. So you've got many different opportunities to style this home that fits your needs. All right, I'm gonna go into the garage. Wait till you see how big it is. All right, so insulated garage door, straight in drive because we're south of 44, epoxy floor. Now, what you need to know about these, so they're staggered. So this side is just a little bit smaller than this, but with this bump out from that side to here is, you ready for it guys? 28 feet. And you've got to watch on public record because I measure my garages to here. because right there, because this is usable space. Public record actually goes, you see, you know, you have this little dip here. Public record shows that dip. So some of the garages, it's deceiving. You have to have your realtor actually go out and measure. But you could get one of your big old pickup trucks in here. You could probably fit 3 golf carts, a car, motorcycle, bicycles, all kinds of stuff in here. You can make that a little workstation, workbench, and there's a mini split. So it is under air. It is actually nice and cool in here. So if you need a big garage wonderland, I got it for you here. And of course, the electrical panel, which is very exciting, but it's there, and irrigation. And in this closet, you have the air handler. Date installed 23. This is a 23 build. I said 22. It's a 23. Even better. Okay, let's go take a peek outside. Now these are nice sliders. I had to replace mine because the ones they put in the older homes are crap, but these are actually really nice. They're sturdy. They don't feel like a 5-year-old could break in the house. And this room has a mini split here, so it's nice and cool. And so you have glass and screens, so you open up. This is east facing, so you're gonna get morning sun, and they're blinds, so you can see that. So if you need to put it down, if the light's too bright, whatever, but this is temperature controlled and it is very comfortable in here. And you have a doggy door, so your doggy can be comfortable in here too. So you got a lot of yard here. You could extend the bird cage. Obviously, there's room for a pool. They're gonna leave that shed. Now, you've heard me say this. With the Courtyard Villa, if you have walls around it, this shed is fine because they can't see it. So you can leave it there, you can move it. And for you buyers out there or realtors watching, the seller is offering compensation to the buyer's agent. All right, go back inside. I'm gonna go out front, go out the front door. Again, I want you to get a view of the exterior from the front. Oh, I don't have shoes on. Okay, it's not that hot. So you see they're on a corner lot. Beautiful property. And really, we're about, I don't even think it's 5 minutes to Sawgrass on the golf cart. This is 5805 Camdyn Court, and we are in Hawkins, which is south of 44. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, Monticello floor plan Courtyard Villa. So I know you love it. This can be yours. Give me a call. My name is Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. 5805 Camdyn Court. I'm in the village of Hawkins. This is a Courtyard Villa, $479,000. All right. Thank you for watching, and I want you to stick around and check out this next episode. I think you might like it. Until next time, or I'm waiting for your phone call for this property. All right, I'll see you.